The good-looking and popular actor Karan Godwani enjoys a great fan following across the globe and is showered with lots of love from his admirers. The actor feels overwhelmed to receive love all the way from Russia in the form of gifts. Let's see what gifts he has received.
हेलो माय नेम इज़ करण गोदवानी. आप तो जानती होंगी शायद, हाँ, यू गाइस मस्ट बी नोइंग. लेकिन यस, सो वेल, मेरे पास यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ गिफ्ट्स पहुँची हैं. ओके, सो मैं बहुत उतावला हो रहा हूँ उनको खोल के देखने में कि है क्या. तो ज़रा खोल के देखते हैं कि क्या है और किसने भेजी हैं. Well, this letter is from Russia, but I don't know who has sent it to me. उसका नाम नहीं लिखा है. Your name is somewhere here. Feofanova Vasilina. Feofanova Vasilina. That's a lovely name. But yes, Russian name hai. So it's new for me. But thank you so much. This is such a lovely letter, and I'm glad that you've watched all my shows, and that too you live in Russia, and right from my first show till the one I'm doing right now. And NK, I see that that's your favorite character. You like me playing NK? Yeah? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's such lovely words you've written here. And it makes me laugh when you say you have a beautiful voice, because I really don't think I have a beautiful voice. But thank you so much. And what else is there? Let me see. This is a very very popular Russian cartoon character. और उसका नाम है, what's the name? His name is Cheburashka. करो मेरी रक्षा. Cheburashka. I like the name, although I don't understand it, but it's very very cute. Very cute. I'm gonna keep it with me in the car. I'm not gonna give it to you, okay? Don't make such faces. Yes, I know you're looking at it. Okay? These guys, you know, they want it, but I'm gonna keep it with myself. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's a Russian song. I'm not understanding the words, but I like the tune, the melody. Oh, done. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And ये क्या है? I can see a diary, especially for Karan Godwani. It has some of my pics there, and I don't like this pic, but thank you so much. Still, but yes, thank you so much. Thank you. You know what? I was telling these guys I really needed a diary, so I can write my own notes and write, you know, my thoughts in it. So thank you so much. You just gave me what I needed, and it has some quotes from Marilyn Monroe and so many famous people. Stanley Kubrick. Lovely. Inside, all Hollywood actors. Lekin outside, Karan Godwani. I like that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And what is that? I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna keep it here. Suit ho raha hai. Is it looking good? A bandana. My friend is saying I can tie it on my head like a bandana, you know, if I go out. Not now, you know, I'm gonna spoil my hairstyle. Yeah, come on. But I like it. Thank you so much. I like the color, and you can touch this. Can you touch it and feel it? It's amazing and so smooth. It's so smooth. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All the way from Russia, sending me all this stuff for my birthday. Thank you so much. I'm trying to speak in different languages in Russian. I don't know. Although I know I had written my on my Twitter account that I'm trying to learn Russian, but I'm a bit slow, you know, in learning the language. But I hope I catch up with the pace and learn some words, especially saying thank you and I love you. I've heard that you know, in Russian we say it like "acha blub blub" or something like that. I've heard from a few friends that means I love you. Yeah, I hope you're smiling, you know, when you're watching this. Although I'm looking a bit stupid saying, trying to, you know, say something in Russian, something I don't know. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. And since you've written that NK was your favorite character, right? I'm gonna speak something like him, like NK. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. You've sent me all this, and so much. Thank you so much for your love as well. You know, sending me all this from Russia and watching my shows there. And I would love you to visit India. Please, you know, take out some time and just arrange a trip, and please come here. And at least I hope we can meet. I can show you how we work here and make you meet my friends as well. And it would be lovely, you know. I really, I don't know, because you suddenly you feel at a loss of words. You don't know what to say, more than saying that I love you as well, and more than thank you, because you know, it's just emotions. You're just overwhelmed with the love you receive. Sometimes you don't expect it. So thank you so much. I know I'm quite lost. I feel so. At least I feel so. I didn't expect this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Filfanova, I'm gonna find you on Twitter and I'm gonna tweet you and I'm gonna say thank you, and I'm gonna say lots of stuff in Russian. At least I will try. I love you. Thank you so much.
We hope you guys enjoyed the segment. We'll be back with another gift segment with your favorite celeb soon. Stay tuned. Anvesha Kamal, cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Karan Godwani and you're watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe on the YouTube channel India Forums.